Now let's apply the percentage trick to a few of the examples. So 30% of 1200. What is 10% of 1200? You shift the decimal point one place to the left, so it is 120. Now, how to get 30% from 10%? We can just times it with 3. So, what is 30% of 1200? 120 times 3, which is 360. Now, let's try 60% of 380. So, as usual, what is 10% of 380? Shift the decimal point one place to the left, so that is going to be 38. Now to find out 60%, what can we do? I'll multiply by 6 on both sides. So 60% of 380 would be 228, right? Now, is this the only trick to find out the percentage of this number? No. Maybe, since the question is closer to 50%, I'll first try to find out 50% of 380. And what is that? You divide the number by 2, so that is going to be 190. And we know that 10% of 380 is 38. Now add both these terms, you will be getting 60% of 380 as 228. That's it. Coming to this question, 90% of 227. As usual, what is 10% of 227? 22.7. Now to find out 90%, what are we supposed to do? We need to times it with 9 on both these sides. So it's going to be a bit long process. Instead of this, what trick can we use? What is 100% of 227? It is 227, right? Now in order to get 90%, isn't that enough to remove 10%, which is obviously 22.7? So what is 90% of 227? It's going to be 204.3. That's it. Now let's find 45% of 800. So maybe since it's close to 50, we'll first find out what is 50% of 800. What is that? 400. Now we need to remove 5% from 800, right? So again, what is going to be 1% of 800? That is 8. If we times it with 5, we are going to get 40. So 5% is 40, 50% is 400. If you subtract them, we are going to get 45% of 800 as 360. That's it. Now 33% of 360. What is 10% of 360? 36. We times it with 3 and that is going to be 108. So 30% of 360 is 108. But still we are not done. We need 33%, right? Now as usual, use the common sense. If 30% is 108, what would be 3%? If I try to divide by 10 on both sides, I'll be getting 3% of 360 as 10.8. Is that right? Because we need to shift a decimal point one place to the left. So now 30% is 108. 3% is 10.8. So what is going to be 33%? It is 118.8. Now moving on to 78% of 125. So what is 10% of 125? We shift the decimal point one place to the left. So it is 12.5, right? Now what is going to be closer to 78? 80%. So I'll times it with 8 to find out 80%. So 12.5 times 8 and that is going to be, I believe it's 100. So if 80% is 100, how to find out 78%? We also know 1% of 125 is going to be shifting 2 points to the left, we'll get 1.25. So what is 2% then? It's going to be 2.5. So now subtracting 2% from 80% would give us 78%, right? So what is 100 minus 2.5? 97.5. That's it. Now let's find 140% of 8000. So normally what trick we'll use here? Find out 10 percentage, which is 800, and then proceed, right? But just think about it. 100 percentage of 8000 is 8000, right? So what is going to be necessary from here? Just the extra 40 percentage, right? So we know 10 percentage is 800. So what is 40 percentage going to be? 800 times 4. That is going to be 3200. So what is 140 percentage on the whole? Adding these two values, it's 11,200. 19 percentage of 520. So what is 10 percentage of 520? We know that it's 52. So what is 20 percentage? Times it with 2. So 20 percentage is going to be 104. Now to get 19 percentage from here, remove 1 percentage. So what is 1 percentage of 520? Shifting the decimal point 2 places to the left, we are going to have 5.2. So subtracting these two terms, we are going to get 19 percentage as 98.8. Now let's find out 98% of 128. And since this is very closer to 100, so first 100% of 128 is 128. Now to get 98 percentage from here, we should remove 2 percentage, right? So what is 1 percentage of 128? Shift the decimal point 2 places to the left, which is 1.28. So what is 2 percentage? Times it with 2, which is going to give us 2.56. So now to get 98 percentage, we can remove this 2 percentage from 100 percentage, right? So what is 98 percentage? So subtracting 128 and 2.56, we are probably going to get 125.4.